Introducing the OneWrap Plus Stretch Wrapper, the new benchmark for efficient, reliable, safe, and cost-effective pallet wrapping. Built with durability in mind, the OneWrap Plus features a rugged design capable of handling loads up to 5,300 pounds. Engineered for long-term reliability, it's the perfect solution for demanding production environments. Ease of use is at the core of OneWrap Plus. Its intuitive control panel allows for quick and simple operation, making it easy for operators of all skill levels to master in no time. Plus, the open and simple design of the film carriage makes changeovers fast and hassle-free. Say goodbye to manual wrapping. The OneWrap Plus boosts productivity by significantly reducing the time it takes to secure your loads while ensuring consistent wrapping performance for maximum product protection. The OneWrap Plus comes standard with a 250% powered pre-stretch carriage, optimizing film usage to reduce consumable costs and supporting your sustainability goals by minimizing plastic waste. End-of-cycle film cutoff is also standard. With the OneWrap Plus, your pallets are wrapped securely every time, protecting your products during transit and reducing the risk of damage. Built for performance, designed for reliability, the OneWrap Plus is the stretch wrapper you've been waiting for. Contact us today to learn how the OneWrap can revolutionize your wrapping operation.